Okay, in this video I'm going to focus on the software because this is where Microsoft Tablet outshines Apple Mini and Google Nexus. Okay, let's look at the interface first. So you can see this is the touch screen for Microsoft Windows 8. It comes with a free Windows 2000 Office or Office 2013. Okay, free. You hear that? Free. Normally around $99. This is actually free. So let's look at OneNote. Now you might want to get a stylus like this thing here, right? It works pretty well. So I'm going to load up OneNote and I'll show you that it has ability to do a pretty good job. Let's say lesson number 1. There we go. Okay, then let's move down. We love this tablet. Okay, so it's pretty good. And with, if you ever use OneNote, you know what I mean, that this is a very useful tools. Right, there we go. Okay, I can move up and down like that. And then if I need to add more notes, I could do that as well. Here is the second note. Okay, pretty cool. And of course, if you know the feature of the OneNote, you can change different color, you can highlight, right? You can insert space, for example. There we go. Is that amazing? So I can add more notes into there. Okay, so let's say here is the insert. Now I'm pretty sure Apple Mini and Nexus, Google Nexus doesn't have software that has this capability as OneNote. Right? I mean, I haven't even touched all the features in OneNote. Those people who know what OneNote can do, they can tell you more about it. But it's just amazing. Just being able to realize that it can use OneNote just amazes me. Okay, so there we go. That's one feature. Let's look at another. Look at. So I'm going to focus on Office because Office is where the productivity occur in most of our lives, right? So we look at, let's say, Word. Okay, here's Word. Now Word, of course, see, there's one thing I like about this tablet is that, okay, so let's try the blank. So I could use my finger to the touch, or I can use a stylus. Now, you probably say, okay, I'm going to use, now let's say you didn't have a keyboard, you just start typing. Okay, hi. Hi. My name is Sipsky. Dot. See that? Pretty cool, right? So that's, I mean, you could do that. By the way, I used the stand I bought. This is from my old tablet from the the Android. Okay, so it was the old Android was thrown away because it was using like 2.2 OS Android version, and it couldn't do anything much. And the tablet itself, the battery lasts only about a couple hours. So anyway, I ended up using this. It was as my tablet holder for my Windows. Pretty useful. So I didn't have to buy that $79 that came with the Acer. So sometimes you don't need to get the accessory from the original company itself. In fact, it's probably not useful to do that. Okay, so that's the on-board keyboard, right, on the screen on-screen keyboard. The thing is, what if you want to use a actual keyboard? Now this is a small mini keyboard, right? So I want to use that. Can I do it? It has a USB connector like this one here. Oh yeah, it can do that. So let me show you. So all you need to get is this special adapter. It's a micro USB to the female USB. So you want to get something like that. So what you have to do is just hook it up. Let me show you. Now the cool thing about it, it's located right here. So I'm going to plug it in like that. There we go. And when I hook it up, then have a look. Plug it in like this, just like any USB. Okay. There we go. And back to this. Okay, and then start typing. Look, it types right away. You see that? Amazing. Instant gratification. It works instantly. I love, oops, this keyboard. Okay, so again, any type of USB devices that works on Windows 7 and maybe in XP even, but I would say Windows 7 for sure and Windows 8, like this mini tab keyboard, will definitely work. So you can just hook it up directly and done. Okay, what else can it do? Well, you know, if you have a wireless keyboard, this one is special type because it uses only numbers, right? You can hook it directly to that as well. Let me show you. Okay, so it uses a wireless connector. This is probably using the 2.4 gigahertz radio wave. Okay, so I'm going to connect this to that and show you that it actually works as well. Okay, and then just turn my device on and instantly, instant gratification again, it worked. Let me see. There we go. Equals, oop, that's enter, right? Okay. So let's try 568 plus 133 equal to, oops, sorry, go back, and they don't have equal sign there, but, and then you just press enter, right, if this was a calculator. So you can see, pretty useful. Now since I have this calculator up, let's now try, let's not save this. Notice I just used my touch screen as well, right? Let's try Excel. Okay, where is Excel? There we go. Okay. So notice again, wireless. This could be, you know, about 10 meter, 20 meter away, and it still works. Okay, there we go. So let's look at that. Okay, 56. I can, you know, I don't want to zoom in. Okay, plus 56 equal to, right? So you can see it works. 86 plus 56 equal to. So it, you know, for the Excel, it works just as well. And you know, you can make this as a, you can move this around. If you switch it to navigation, you see that? So instead of clicking on number lock, which becomes a number, well, I unswitch that, it becomes a navigation. I can move that around. Okay, there we go. Okay, pretty useful. And because this wireless keyboard is actually a number keyboard, has a built-in multimedia player, so I can turn on the volume, okay, or turn off, depending on what I want, right? In fact, there's a special button where you can load the internet directly, email, right? I haven't really looked at the feature yet, but here it has different mode for internet and media. Anyway, it's a special design for all Windows system, and so this is geared towards that. So you can see that any system works pretty well. Okay, so we have seen briefly the Excel works well. The Word works pretty good. OneNote works pretty well as well. Let's see what else let's look at PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint. Let's turn my Excel off there. I don't want it. Okay, there we go. let's try that. I don't know. That's the feature. Okay, let's create. There we go. We'll say. Okay, let's go back to my original. Oh, actually, I just like Acer W3 tablet. Oh, we'll just put Windows 8, right? Okay, we'll put it right here. Win 8. There we go. Done. And then just display. Yes, there we go. There it is. It's done. And see? So you can use this keyboard to navigate. Cool, huh? So you can even use those, you know, mouse pointer to get it to work too.